What is going on, guys? I've got a super duper exciting video for you today, but before we get onto that, check out this little guy. We just caught this little bardic in somebody's front yard. He was hiding in a little leaf after she went past it with a lawnmower. We're just going to drop it in this bushland, and then we are going to go look at some dolphins that my partner and 2 children got to spend almost an hour with one dolphin, and then a bunch of dolphins showed up at the end of it while I was off diving. So we're gonna see that one. I'm super duper excited because this will be the first video that I've edited that I did not take the footage of. So I get to see everything for the first time while I'm editing it. So that's pretty dope. Let's get rid of this guy and get on with the video. For those of you that don't know, this guy is a little bardic. They are mildly venomous. He's a chunky adult, so they don't get overly huge. See, this is my hand for comparison. Well, it's not really a good comparison because, here we go, burp. Yeah, these guys are, you still don't want to cop a bite from something that's mildly venomous. So don't go playing with things if you don't know what they are. But that's that. Ignore the hair. Let's get on with the video. Let's go check out these dolphins.
All right, off you go. Gonna go try and find some dolphins.
What? One of them doesn't have an eye.
Andy.
Oh, mine's flown.
Your mind's blown. Alright, tell me, what's your thoughts and feelings?
What?
Huh?
What about my thoughts and feelings?
What are your thoughts and feelings about swimming with dolphins?
So, it was really cool about the dolphins. But I didn't thought they were that big.
I didn't
They're like
either. They're so big.
They're huge.
They are.
It was the best thing ever. I got like right next to them.
Oh, that was so cool. Oh, they're still jumping all the way back there. All the way in the distance. I can hear Dad's snoring, but I can't see it. That was so cool.
And I wish it, but I was actually making the noises. I was down there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, should we start swimming more in? We have our own dolphin show right here. Oh, look, it's diving. Where did he go? Oh, he came up for a breath. Holy shit, she's fast. Alright, let's catch up.
How freaking sick was that? I'm so glad that they had the GoPro there. We actually have the 2 GoPros, so I took one GoPro on a different adventure, and the rest of the family took the other one on their little adventure, which I didn't get to join them with, but we had our own little fun, which is in the video that I uploaded just before this one. So if you want to check that dive out, that was pretty sick. But while I was out diving, these guys hung out with these dolphins, which was absolutely amazing. It was pretty funny because towards the end there was a whole pot of dolphins that came back over to grab one dolphin that stayed there and kind of ushered him away and took him back out to sea. Because before, when I was taking the drone footage, there was a whole bunch of them there, and they all left when everyone got in the water and swam over there, except for the one that everyone hung out with. And then they all came back, grabbed it, and you can kind of see in the video that there's one in between 2 dolphins, and it's kind of getting nudged back out away from everywhere because everybody was like, it's time to go. So yeah, that was pretty interesting. Super duper stoked that they had the GoPro for that one. And yeah, it was cool to edit because I wasn't there and I got to see it all for the first time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Take it easy, stay awesome, and remember, you can't fail if you try. See you later.